Race number 1. Gauge fly by the rope and racing is Ninjutsu. A Jolly Cash now for the outside, moving up by the Will Fire and Rain. In the middle portion is entry number 7. That's Keep Your Distance. We've got 3 runners now in front. Moving up in the middle, Go Belize, Fire and Rain. And moving up is Keep Your Distance. Moving up Ninjutsu, Jolly Cash, then followed by Dinara. Inside the last 600, Go Belize, leading by Lang, Fire and Rain, Ninjutsu. Jolly Cash now the outside. Towards the last 400, Go Belize, here comes Ninjutsu. Jolly Cash on the outside, third, Fire and Rain, and Keep Your Distance. Towards the final turn is now Ninjutsu for the outside, followed by Go Belize. And running in third is Jolly Cash, Fire and Rain. But still Ninjutsu. And finally Ninjutsu, Go Belize, Fire and Rain, Jolly Cash, Batangas Force, and Tonic Water.
Water ba yan? Diba si Dinara?
10-9-5, 11-6-1. Unofficial dating